Hello folks, my name is Mark. Welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna take this trailer down to the cat scale and weigh it. I've never weighed it before. I have no clue what it weighs other than what the factory said it weighed. I guess it was about 1,200 pounds, somewhere on here. I think we had like 1,700 pounds of cargo capacity. It's been a year since I've moved this trailer, so I had to air up the tires. I had to register it because it was expired for a few months. I'm going to show you inside. As I was coming in, I think I turned off my camera. Anyway, so this is what I have in it currently. It's not like completely ready to go camping or anything. Mostly this trailer is a comfortable bedroom, right? And I don't necessarily keep everything in it that I need for camping, but I have kind of prepared it for this day by cleaning it up and making it look presentable. And here's towards the back of the trailer. Strapped my air conditioner to the wall there and prepared my Bluetti AC 200 Max for traveling. Got a little refrigerator. It's empty. Little pump back there. The standard things that I just keep in here. Now I'm gonna make some estimates just out loud. I think that the solar panels and the rack system up on top of the trailer is probably 150 pounds. And I think there's probably 200 pounds in the front of the trailer. 100 pounds of wood and 100 pounds of crap, right? Just an estimate. And then back here, there might be 100 pounds on this side. And then on this side, I'm going to go with 200 pounds of stuff, right? So there's a bed that probably weighs 100 pounds with the wood and the foam. There's a Bluetti, which weighs about 60 pounds. The Viair is probably 20 pounds. This might be 25 pounds, right? So 100, 200 pounds there. The carpet probably weighs about 50 pounds. Now that's not camping weight. There's no water, there's no food, right? But I've never weighed it, so I don't have any clue what this is other than what I estimate. So we're going to head on out to the cat scales and find out what's your estimation of the trailer weight. Little view of the solar panels. They're pretty dirty. In case I didn't point it out, it's a hot one today. Summer's just hot, 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 seems like. headed back to the way station, this time with no trailer, just the truck, and it is the next day. So hopefully this way only costs $5. All right, here we are. In a moment, I'm gonna need my phone to sign in. But there's the number once you get your app open. And just like that, we're done. Took a lot less time today than it did yesterday. So let's head home and look at the data.